The physics of the ocean is about ocean transport and how the ocean moves material. You might think of waves at the beach, ocean currents, even tides moving material back and forth. And then there's a number of subsurface processes which we can't see from space. Here in Tonga, we're trying to understand how deep, nutrient-rich water gets moved into the light zone and is available for production for reefs and biodiversity. In coral reef ecosystems, there's a couple of key processes that we're trying to observe. The role of wind in mixing material around these reef ecosystems. And then the other process is internal waves. Internal waves are waves that occur below the surface. We don't see them by eye. They're waves that are around 50 to 80 metres in height, and they have the ability to mix material from the deep ocean into shallow, light environments. In the Southwest Pacific where we're working, generally the surface waters are low in nutrients. That's sort of in conflict with what we see. We see humpback whales, pilot whales. There's coral reef ecosystems that are beautiful and full of fish. These animals need food sources, and so these internal waves are the mechanisms to bring material from the deep ocean into the light zone to make the system productive. Whilst they have the potential for bringing nutrients to the surface, they're also bringing cold water. They might actually act as a refugia for coral reef ecosystems, and so if there's large internal waves, this might be a mechanism for mitigation of climate change responses in coral reef ecosystems in Tonga.
Wave walkers on the hook, starting to lift it.
Copied.
We have some equipment on board that we're trying to use to map these, and we're going to collect these data at very high resolution at a number of reefs so that we can see the sizes and intensity of these internal waves.
Okay. Next one.
There's very few observations of subsurface information in Tonga, and so it's very exciting to add to that and build up some knowledge for how that is important for ecosystems, but also for oceanographic processes in Tonga and also regionally.